Hey guys, what's going on? Just here to tell you a little bit about a blender that I've been using for a while. I actually registered for this for my bridal shower. It was about 2 years ago. Sorry, it's a little bit dirty. I use this like every other day or so, whether it's to make a shake or to make sauce, or sometimes my husband will make his own like pancakes, so he'll make the batter in the blender. It's just pretty standard, works really well. So it's Oster is the brand, and then you have all these different buttons. So this is off. I don't know what's going on with this, but okay, so it says off, and then you can put it on low, high, grate, stir, blend, puree, grind, chop, liquefy, whip, ice crush, pulse. So there's all the buttons and the different options that come with, that come with the blender. And then you have the blender itself, which is all glass, and then it has like the measurements on here. So this is 0.25 at the bottom, 0.50, 0.75, 1, 1.25 liters. So all the measurements are in liters. It has this it has a strong handle on the bottom. This piece I'm going to show you because I just recently had to place it. So this black piece at the bottom, I'm going to open it up and show you it. So this is the bottom piece. It's like a metal piece. And then of course this is the part that does the heavy blending. But this rubber part right here, I had to replace because it got broken. It broke after like 2 years. So it wasn't a big deal. I bought the piece online, and it was like literally like under, I think it was like $3.20 or something. So it really wasn't a big deal for me to have to replace that at all. So this is just like it's not like super fancy. It's just your standard blender. You can see all around. It's like a metal, and you have the glass blender. You have the top right here. This is like a little plastic piece. So when you're blending, of course, you want to make sure that. Oh, and it's dishwasher safe, by the way, which is awesome. You want to make sure that this top is on, of course, while you're blending, because if it's not secured on and it explodes, then whatever's in the blender is also going to get everywhere, and it's going to be a mess. Also, make sure that you have this bottom piece that I showed you on tightly, because I learned the hard way that when I first got this, I didn't have it on tight enough, and everything that was in here kind of like dripped out and made this big, huge mess, so it just wasn't fun. So what I'm going to do now is make a shake that I make all the time. So I'm just going to do that real quick and show you guys. Okay, so I just added all the ingredients to the blender, not in any specific order, but I put frozen fruit, almond milk, protein powder, banana, peanut butter. Okay, so I just put all the ingredients in. I put the top on the blender. I'm just going to go ahead and turn this on. So sorry if it gets loud. So I'm just going to put it on ice crush first because I have a couple pieces of ice cubes in there. You know what? I'm gonna add some almond milk to make it more liquidy. Okay, there we go. That works much better. So I'm going to put it on to the left. So here we are. Shake's all ready. There we go. Wonderful consistency. Oster blender does a great job. If you guys are looking for a blender to just use every day, then this is for you. Hope you guys found the video useful.